Did you know that fuel system problems account for nearly 20% of all engine performance complaints? And in many cases, the culprit is a clogged fuel filter? The worst part is, most drivers don't notice the warning signs until the damage becomes expensive. In this video, we will reveal the 5 most common symptoms of a bad fuel filter and show you the best fixes before they turn into costly repairs. Let's dive in. Symptom number 1. Hard starting or no start. One of the earliest signs of a clogged fuel filter is difficulty starting your vehicle. Your engine needs the correct amount of fuel pressure to start quickly. When the filter becomes clogged with dirt, rust, or debris, it restricts fuel flow to the engine. As a result, the fuel pump struggles to deliver enough gasoline during startup. You may notice the engine cranking longer than usual before it finally starts, especially on cold mornings. In severe cases, the engine may crank normally but refuse to start altogether. Many drivers mistakenly replace the battery or starter when the real problem is fuel starvation. If your car suddenly becomes harder to start without any ignition problems, then don't overlook the fuel filter. Replacing it early can restore proper fuel pressure and prevent unnecessary wear on the fuel pump. Symptom number 2. Loss of engine power. If your car feels sluggish when accelerating or climbing hills, a clogged fuel filter may be restricting fuel delivery. Modern engines require a steady supply of fuel under all driving conditions. When the filter becomes partially blocked, then your engine may receive enough fuel for normal cruising, but not enough during heavy acceleration. This causes noticeable power loss, especially when merging onto highways or overtaking other vehicles. You may have to press the accelerator much harder than usual just to maintain speed. Some drivers assume the engine is simply getting old, but the issue could be a filter that's overdue for replacement. Installing a new filter often restores lost power almost immediately. Symptom number 3. Engine hesitation during acceleration. A bad fuel filter can also cause the engine to hesitate or stumble when you press the gas pedal. Instead of accelerating smoothly, the vehicle may briefly pause before gaining speed. This happens because the restricted filter can't supply enough fuel when engine demand suddenly increases. The fuel injectors momentarily receive less fuel than required. That creates a lean air-fuel mixture. You might notice this while entering traffic, passing another vehicle, or climbing steep roads. Engine hesitation is not just annoying. It can also become dangerous in situations where quick acceleration is needed. If your spark plugs and ignition system are in good condition, then checking the fuel filter should be one of the first diagnostic steps. Symptom number 4. Engine misfires. Another common symptom is random engine misfires. When the engine doesn't receive enough fuel, one or more cylinders may fail to combust properly. This causes the engine to shake, vibrate, or feel rough while driving. Misfires often become more noticeable under load or during acceleration because the engine requires additional fuel. Modern vehicles may also store misfire diagnostic trouble codes such as P0300 or cylinder-specific codes. Although bad spark plugs and ignition coils are common causes, but insufficient fuel delivery from a clogged filter can also produce identical symptoms. Continuous misfires not only reduce performance, but can also damage the catalytic converter due to unburned fuel entering the exhaust. Symptom number 5. Rough idling. Even when your car is sitting still, a clogged fuel filter can affect engine performance. At idle, the engine requires a consistent and stable fuel supply to maintain smooth operation. If the filter restricts fuel flow, then your engine may idle roughly, vibrate excessively, or fluctuate between high and low RPMs. Some drivers describe it as feeling like the engine wants to stall even though it's still running. However, rough idle can also be caused by vacuum leaks, dirty throttle bodies, or faulty sensors, but fuel pressure testing can help confirm whether the filter is restricting fuel flow. If the filter has not been replaced within the 30,000 to 60,000 miles, then installing a new one can fix the rough idle. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.